What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So to start off, I'm going to be going in and priming my eyes with the Conceal and Define. Is that what it's called? Concealer from Makeup Revolution. And then I'm going in with this setting powder from Kiss New York just to set my lids because I have oily lids. I don't need my shadow sliding around. And now I'm going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm doing a combination of these two kind of hot pinkish colors, and I'm going to start off by blending that all throughout the crease. And if y'all see me talking, it's because I was going to make this a talk through video, but I decided not to. So yeah, you're going to see my mouth kind of, I'm going to be yapping a lot, but don't mind that. Try to ignore that. But okay, but moving on, I'm gonna go in with these two purples, and I'm going to blend those also in my crease, but just a little bit lower than that pink that we just blended out. That way I kind of have like a gradient effect, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying some new stuff out, but yeah, just doing this so it kind of gives like a gradient effect. And then I'm gonna just take what's left on my brush and blend that down on the lid. Then I'm gonna go back in with that same concealer, and I'm gonna cut my crease. You know, I'm not perfect at cutting my crease, but I think I did a pretty dang good job, if I do say so myself. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, then I'm going back in with that purple, and I'm kind of blending it on the outer part of my eye. And then I'm going to go into this Morphe 35M Boss Smooth palette, and I'm going to take an eyeshadow flat brush and go in with this. I don't know the name of the color. I don't have the eyeshadow palette near me, but it's like an intergalactic galaxy type of color. It is really pretty, but it's really dark for this eyeshadow look. And so here in a second, you'll see that I go back into that Morphe palette, and I'm gonna grab the lightest shade. It's like a light champagne almost. Yeah, this color right here. And I'm gonna go on top of that darker color with this lighter color just to lighten it up. And I actually really loved it. While I was doing this makeup look, I did not like this at all. I was considering just stopping, but this just goes to show that you have to keep working through it. No. So now I'm going in with this NYX, I almost said color pencil. I'm so tired. I'm going in with this NYX eyeliner in the color white, and I'm lining my waterline, which I never do because my waterline is so sensitive and watery. But after I do that, I'm going to do a mixture of the pinks and purples that I did in the crease, and I'm going to blend that into the waterline as well and connect that up to the upper half of my eye. I hope I'm making sense because I'm recording this at almost 2 in the morning. Then I'm going in with these lashes. I forgot what the screen said. I think these are the Demis, I think. But then I'm going to go in with the Superhero Mascara from IT Cosmetics. Really, really love this mascara. Like, even with just my basic lashes, like my real lashes, it makes them look like false lashes. So I really love that mascara. But I try to be like those Instagram people, as you can see. And I'm using the hydrating face primer from Tarte, and I actually really like this. I have oily skin, but I've tried this out a few times and I actually like it in the way it makes my skin look. It doesn't make my skin look like too oily, but you know, I like the way the finish it gives off. So yeah, I like it so far. I haven't had any problems with it. But now I'm going in with a mixture. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundations, and I'm blending it out. when I did go to purchase this foundation, of course they don't have like my exact shade, so I had to buy 2 of them and try to mix. And as you can see, my face just looks different colors across the board. And I went in and tried to fix it and lighten it up, which is what you're seeing right here. But yeah, I haven't found the perfect combination that I like yet, so we shall see. But now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealers. These are the concealers now. And I'm going to start off with a darker color and then go in with a lighter color, just to highlight the basic parts, you know, under the eye, the nose, the forehead, Cupid's bow, chin. I don't draw triangles anymore because it just, I don't know, when you blend it out, it's a lot of product, and I find that just doing this, for me at least, I'm not using as much product. I mean, I'm still using a lot, but I'm not using as much, and then I can just blend it out into a triangle like I'm doing here. And when I blend that up, it's also going to help to kind of clean up that eyeshadow if it's not, you know, super clean and cut like I want it to be. Yeah, as you can see, I like it. Now I'm going back in with that brush that I used to blend out my foundation, and I'm just kind of easing up these sharp lines, you know. Now I'm going in with my Set It and Don't Fret It makeup powder or face powder, and I'm going to put that where I just put my concealer, and I'm going to let it sit there a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. bronzer and just bronze up the skin, you know. If you watch my channel, you know I don't contour. If anything, I just bronze, so this is what I'm doing now. And I really love this e.l.f. bronzer, and I'm almost out, so I have to get ready to get some more. And now I'm going to go in and wipe this powder away. Like I said, I don't let it sit long at all. And the powder that I'm using to cut my bronzer, I'm going to leave that there and let it kind of bake a little longer. Yep, we got to take a drink break. Got to stay hydrated. Now let's go in with one of my favorite parts, the highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the color Crown of My Canopy. I promise this isn't sponsored by Wet n Wild, but I really, a lot of these drugstore brands have been stepping their game up, and Wet n Wild is one of those brands. Wet n Wild, e.l.f., just, yeah, they've been stepping their game up, but they've been raising their prices, and they think I don't notice, but that's a video for another time. But now I'm gonna go in and wipe the rest of the remaining powder away. And yep, you missed a spot. There you go. There you okay. But yeah, I'm just gonna wipe the rest of that powder away, and as you can see, that kind of cut it a little bit, or that cut my bronzer, makes it look a little bit more sharp. But for lips, I did a combination of different stuff because I was testing out new stuff and I didn't like it. Right now I'm going in with the Soft Matte Lip Cream from NYX, and I believe the color Berlin. And then I'm going to do a mixture of 2 different glosses. One of them is from Pixie and the other one is from Estate Beauty, I believe. Yeah. It's alright. I don't have a lot of lip options, so I gotta buy some stuff, but this is the finished look. Ooh. But I really loved how this makeup look turned out. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all. And lastly, please don't forget to go and check out my gaming channel. Go over and check that out. Link is down below, or you can wait until the end cards and I will have the little circle there and you can go check that out. All right, seriously, bye y'all.